हे एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू दिस यूट्यूब चैनल। आप देख रहे हैं कि आज मैं एक ग्रीन फील्ड में खड़ा हूँ। यू कैन सी द बैकग्राउंड, यू कैन सी द ग्रीनरी बिहाइंड मी एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो हियर द वर्ड्स chirping, you know, and I am here to share with you my English fluency journey. Yeah, you heard it right. I am here to share with you my English fluency journey, and I am going to share with you all the mistakes that I made in the journey of my English fluency, and that's what I am going to share with you. And this video is the result of my 2K subscribers, and I'm also going to share with you how I grew my YouTube channel. I still remember my first video. In that video, I am underconfident, I am stuttering while speaking in this language, I am not speaking properly in English, and now right now I am now quite able to express my thoughts, express my ideas in very simple manner, and that is because I have been practicing this language every single day. And I am also going to tell you how I used to practice English speaking at home alone. I had not any English partners to practice with me. Despite having no English partners, despite having no English environment, I still became a fluent speaker. I'm still able to express my thoughts very well in this language. Why? Because of the things that I did every single day. And let me tell you a quick story of why I started this YouTube channel. The reason that I started this YouTube channel was I wanted to improve my English communication, and the reason I wanted to improve my English communication was to earn better, to have respect, because I had seen those people who were speaking English fluently and they were having more respect, they were having good reputation in the society, and they were also earning better money than those who do not speak in English properly. And that's the thought that fascinated me to learn this language. That's the thought that kept me going all the time. That's the thought that motivated me all the time. So yeah, this is what that fascinated me all the time. And now let me also tell you that I do not belong to a middle class family or our middle class family. I belong to a lower middle class family where even 50 rupees matters a lot. And you know what? I have seen that argument between my parents, and I decided that, you know, enough is enough. I don't want to live the same life. So that's the thought that fascinated me to learn this language. I come from a Hindi medium background, and despite coming from Hindi medium background, I never let that thought dictate my future. I said, no matter what happens, I am going to practice this language every single day. The reason that I am speaking English fluently, because I have been practicing this language every single day. I wanted to accomplish my dreams, and it's not that I have accomplished my all goals. I am yet to achieve my goals. Okay, it's likely to rain, so we are shooting this video so fast. That is why I'm speaking so fast in this video. So because you can see the clouds, it's so dense in the sky, and I think it's about to rain in 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, where was I? I was talking about my family background. I was talking about my why I started this YouTube channel, and I also talked about that I come from a Hindi medium background. So I told you everything about me. I belong to a very lower middle class family, and I had never imagined that one day I would reach 2K subscribers, and you are supporting us, and I will never forget your support. I will never forget your support, guys. Just I want you to keep supporting. If you are watching till here, I just want you to hit the like button, and I also want you to subscribe to this channel. As I told you, that it motivates me to make more videos. Now it's time for me to talk about the strategies, the tips or the tricks that I followed every single day that made me a fluent speaker. And for me to reveal the first secret. that I did every single day. The first secret was I started thinking in English. Since I started learning this language, I also started how to think in this language, and for that I watched countless videos on YouTube how to think in English, but none of those videos helped me think in English until or unless I helped myself. What do I mean by that? Until I started thinking in English. Initially, it was hard for me to think in English, but slowly it became easier for me as I kept going, and that's how I learned how to think in English. You know, the rain has started, like it's drizzling, and you know, I am still making this video for you guys, so hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. So yeah, where was I was talking about that I started thinking in English. So yeah, the first thing, if you want to become a fluent speaker despite having no partners, the first thing that you can do is you need to think in English every single day. No matter what you are doing, start list, like describe situations in English. The best way you can do to become fluent speaker as soon as possible is when you describe situations in this language. So if you don't have anyone, talk to yourself. Now, as I had no English partners, I needed to speak in this language to become fluent at speaking English. So what I did is I started talking to myself. Yeah, I didn't want to blame situations, so that is why I decided to talk to myself every single day. We are heading towards our home. We have come almost 2 to 3 kilometers far from our home, and it's raining. If I don't go home early, my phone might get wet and this phone might break down. So that is why I am shooting this video in hurry, so sorry for that. The second thing that you need to be doing is you need to talk to yourself every single day. Now it's time for me to talk about the third thing that I did every single day. Although I did a lot of things every single day, but these are the 3 things that I did the most. It's drizzling out and my shirt is getting wet slowly. The third thing that I am talking about writing. Yeah, I just want you to write something every single day. I just want you to write something or the other every single day. When you are going to bed, I just want you to think about the activities that you did today. Like, I woke up in the morning at 6 o'clock, I did this, I did that, and I want you to describe that in very simple manner. What you will get from writing every single day, your mind will get clear. You will think clearly in this language, and that's what you need to do if you want to become a fluent speaker. I know that most of you guys don't have an English environment. I also know that you are frustrated. Most of you want to achieve your goals. Most of you want to crack some interviews. I know all of that. So the only way you can do that is I just want you to be obsessed with improving your English. No matter, like if you be obsessed with improving your English, you will not lack of ways. Whether you don't have anyone to talk to in English, whether you don't have anyone to practice with in English, you will find ways. You will find English partners to practice in this language. So yeah, that's what I am saying, you guys. I just want you to be obsessed with improving English. This is the secret of my English fluency. At the end of this video, I want to say just one thing: be obsessed with improving your English. This is the biggest secret of my English fluency journey. Okay, so because I became fluent speaker, I am speaking fluently English. This has been all possible because I was obsessed with improving my English every single day. Okay, so yeah, if you like this video, as you are seeing that the rain has started, so now I want to stop shooting this video. I wanted to tell you more, guys, but because of the rain I am not able to say all those things. Okay, so now bye bye. If you like this video, I just want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel because I keep bringing unique content on this channel. Okay, bye bye.